Hey guys, Jay here at WoodPigeon Outdoors. Great to see you all again. Well, I decided today make you a little video. What you're looking at here is what we call pine pitch. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. Everybody's done how to make the pine pitch glue. We already know how to do this. Come on, Jay. Let's show us something different. Today I'm going to show you something a little different. Pine pitch, as you know, is the sap from the pine. It's usually this gooey resin substance, and what the Native Americans used to use it for is for sore throats. It has that antibacterial properties, also used as an antiseptic, also to relieve pain. If you have joint pain, just rub it on with a little wrap or a bandage or something like that. You could also use it if you have wounds in your hands, sort of like this one here. You just put it over and it helps to close the wound. Alright, you could also use it as a chewing gum. So again, take the piece, you put it in, you stick it to the side of your mouth. You don't actually chew it like you would normal chewing gum, and again, it helps with the sore throat. Alright, you could also make it into a pitch glue like we mentioned earlier, but we won't talk about that. The reason why I stopped at this tree is because the ants, there is a certain type of ant that burrows into the wood and eats up the inside. I'll show you right here. As you see right there, that is an ant that's burrowing in, and it basically eats the wood. And then the pine tree tries to heal itself by creating these little nodules, bleeds out a little bit. Alright guys, so I hope that helps a lot. Next time you're in the woods, got a cut, bruise, whatever, could take some of the pine resin, and just remember, make sure you know what you're using if you are using wild edibles and wild medical resources out in the woods. And until next time guys, stay safe out there. Cheers.